Most people think they have an income problem, but the truth is, if I gave you $10,000 today, you'd probably be broke again in just 3 months. Why? Because building wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about the habits that steal your money before it even hits your pocket. Let's meet Alex and Sam. Alex is the king of style. New sneakers, the latest iPhone, and every weekend is a party. To the world, he looks rich, but to his bank account, he's a slave. Then there's Sam. Sam drives a 5-year-old car and keeps things simple. But Sam has a secret that Alex and 90% of the world completely misses. Habit number 1, the invisible tax. Every time Alex's salary goes up, his expenses follow right behind. A bigger paycheck means a bigger car payment. This is called lifestyle creep. Alex is buying liabilities, things that take money out of his pocket, like high-interest car loans and expensive watches. But Sam does the exact opposite. He keeps his lifestyle the same and puts his extra money into assets, like dividend stocks or index funds, things that pay Sam while he sleeps. Sam is becoming wealthy, while Alex is just looking wealthy. Habit number 2, the sale trap. Alex thinks he saved $200 on a watch, but Sam knows the truth. If you buy something you didn't need just because it was on sale, you didn't save money, you lost it. Alex didn't just spend $200. He traded 20 hours of his life for that watch. Sam only buys what's on his list. He controls his money. His money doesn't control him. Habit number 3, the later lie. Alex says, "I'll start investing when I have more money," but more never comes. Sam started today with just $50 because he understands the power of compounding. While Alex waits for the perfect time, Sam's money is working for him 24/7. In 10 years, Sam will be enjoying financial freedom, while Alex will still be saying, maybe next year. The difference between being broke and being wealthy is just these 3 habits. You can choose to be an Alex stuck in the salary trap forever, or you can be a Sam. The choice is completely yours. Subscribe to Finance Flow and start your Sam journey today.